The Galaxy S24 Ultra is generating excitement as Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphone set to introduce a titanium build, a first for the company. Titanium, known for its high corrosion resistance and remarkable strength-to-density ratio, has the potential to revolutionize smartphone design. If implemented effectively, this shift could result in a lighter device without compromising structural integrity. The use of titanium in the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has already showcased Samsung's confidence in the material for premium products. However, the specifics of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's titanium integration remain unclear. While reports suggest that the frame will be titanium, it's uncertain to what extent titanium will be utilized in other components. Drawing comparisons with the iPhone 15 Pro, which features a thin titanium frame attached to an aluminum inner chassis, raises questions about the potential challenges and benefits associated with hybrid approaches to materials in smartphone construction. Despite the promise of enhanced durability and reduced weight, practical considerations, such as the susceptibility of titanium finishes to scratches, need careful attention. Additionally, the touted advantages of titanium, such as improved water resistance, may be subject to real-world testing. Balancing these factors is crucial for Samsung, especially considering the potential higher production costs associated with titanium. As consumers eagerly await more details, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's move to titanium adds an intriguing layer to the ongoing competition in the premium smartphone market.